image tells a story, and the story can relate to the evidence. Okay, from here, this point to the point here, this stretch of the wall all belongs to the Earth area, okay, southwest. And southwest Earth dislike aircon, which is wood. The dustbin over here represents metal, stomach wind, indigestion, okay, and this is the most interesting one. This is sitting at the Earth area and it's written like someone is having constipation and cannot poo-poo.
Yeah.
Okay? So an image tells a story, and the story can relate to the evidence. There's a mirror behind here, and the mirror represents metal, and metal also sitting on the tummy area which is here. So the tummy issue is quite bad over here. So Wendy, can you verify your son's
Since young, we have given probiotics because of his stomach issues. We also right now has to give him different kind of milk because if he doesn't take the lactose-free milk, he will have very bad diarrhea as well. He needs special dairy products. And he does complain about the bloatedness and discomfort. Yeah, it's all a lot of stomach issues.